Chugging. He's chugging. Let her rip. Holy shit. That was sweet. Damn. You got another one? Holy shit. Hang on, hang on. That was awesome too. Hang on. Holy crap, seriously?
Where you at? We don't hear you anymore.
Yeah, no.
I'll be right back. Alright. We'll just sit here and have a birthday conversation.
Okay.
Go first.
Hang on. You mind if I tape this on my cell phone?
What?
Stick 'em burp contest? My drink of choice, Coors Light.
Ivana.
Hang on. Alright. Hang on. It's building.
Hey, Ivana. Hot dog. What time?
How about that?
That's nice. What time? Don't keep flicking me off.
Damn. I wonder if Ivana heard my burp. She probably has me muted, though.
Oh, she has us both muted.
Damn it. Alright, your turn to burp.
Alright. I'll put my name back.
Hey, Vic, your turn to burp, man.
And hold on. Give me a minute. I still got that last chug going through me, so hold up.
So funny.
Look, it's like half the bottle.
Holy shit. I'm all out of beer out of...
It's filled all the way to the top, too.
I'm all out of beer out of this can.
Ouch, that was my ear.
Sorry.
Hey, Ivana, I just put the wieners on to boil. Got it.
Hey, Beavis. Hey, sad winner. Here he goes. He's shrugging again. This is funny. Holy shit. How do you do that, man? Damn. Alright, that's it for this video.
Look at the screen and you'll find out why.
That's it for this video. Hang on.